Hi fam, hi everyone, how have you been doing? Guys, it's been a minute since I uploaded. Mmekuaje? Personally, I have been doing great. I have been doing good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a channel subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. And if you have been watching this channel and you haven't subscribed, honestly, you are doing injustice to this channel. I haven't been motivated because the last video that I uploaded, the YouTube deducted a lot of views from it and I felt discouraged. That's why I haven't been editing. The problem is not with you, the problem is with YouTube, because you are doing your part. I don't know why YouTube is doing that to me. I really don't know why. So guys, welcome. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this channel to your friends. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you'll be among the notified. The only work that I have today is to wash the fridge, and that's all for the day. Actually, it is a motivation. I want to motivate you because I know when you see me doing it, you will feel that motivation. You get me? So guys, remember we're on the road to 500 subscribers and I can't wait to get there, you guys. So please subscribe.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. The sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat, that's all I need. When a day's gone, we've only begun, that's the best part. When we get it on, I'm addicted, no denying it. Cause you don't cross my mind, you live in it. I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. Breathe the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat, that's all I need.
I'm about to get 30. Your last one made you 30. Now you get yourself a freaking little dude. In the mood 24/7, 6911. So you're making it, but I'ma just stop for a moment. Do you really think that I'ma fuck you while I'm sober? I'm not. Taking Uber to your hotel, eating like a local, cause you're calling back while I shut down.
You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. With the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat, that's all I need. That's all I need.
guys, thank you so much for watching this video up until this point. Please, if you have not put a thumbs up to this video, put a like to this video. Also guys, comment, tell me if this video has motivated you. Just tell me anything in the comment section. Also to remind you guys, please subscribe, get me to 5,000 subscribers. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be among the notified. Until next time, ideas.